For millennia, humanity gazed at the sky with wonder and awe. It was a realm of legends, fantasies, and untouchable dreams. But in just the last 70 years, everything changed. The sky is no longer a boundary, it's the gateway to tomorrow. The original space race was straightforward, America versus the Soviet Union, a clash of egos, ideologies, and global supremacy. But today, a far grander, fiercer contest is underway, one that's accelerating at breakneck speed and holds stakes beyond imagination. Because the victor won't merely claim lunar soil with a flag, they'll command the destiny of energy sources, global communications, interplanetary travel, military superiority, and perhaps the very survival of our species. This isn't about prestige or headlines. This is a fight for total control. And the players aren't just nations anymore. Three mismatched titans are locked in battle. NASA, the storied behemoth, China, the stealthy ascendant, and SpaceX, the rule-shattering innovator. In this episode, we peel back the layers of this covert showdown, the master plans, the classified ambitions, and the unspoken rivalries forging the century ahead. Welcome to Space Mosaic. Let's dive in. When Neil Armstrong's boot touched the moon in 1969, the world exhaled in triumph. Many believed the competition was finished, but that lunar landing was just the opening act. It delivered symbolic glory to the US, but no enduring economic or strategic edge. Post-Apollo, NASA's momentum faded, funding slashed, vision dimmed. Decades passed without serious challengers. Then, quietly, a new force emerged from the east, China. As the globe fixated on conflicts, diplomacy, and digital booms, China methodically laid its groundwork over 2 decades. Indigenous rockets, homegrown satellites, independent space station, crewed spacecraft, ambitious lunar and Martian ventures. No fanfare, no shortcuts, just relentless construction. By the time the international community caught on, China had ascended to space superpower status. Meanwhile, an unlikely contender disrupted the scene, one dismissed as a long shot initially, a modest outfit from Hawthorne, California, SpaceX. This modern race transcends borders. It's philosophical, technological, and financial. And the prize? The blueprint for humanity's future. Prior to SpaceX, rockets were single-use wonders, discarded like a paper airplane after one journey. Each mission drained hundreds of millions of dollars. NASA recognized the inefficiency. China did too. The entire sector knew it was broken, yet no one dared overhaul it until Elon Musk's team did. In 2015, SpaceX achieved the unthinkable, landing an orbital booster intact, a feat ridiculed as fantasy, now reality. The industry quaked. Overnight, NASA's $400 million launches plummeted to $60 million equivalents. Starship promises even more, sub-$10 million per flight. This isn't incremental progress, it's a paradigm shift. SpaceX transformed rockets into reusable shuttles. Ascend, descend, reuse indefinitely. They outpace nations in annual launches. Starlink blankets the planet with broadband. They corner the commercial payload market. They ferry NASA's crew to the ISS, and they're engineering Starship, the colossal beast redefining heavy lift. World governments see that this upstart, but imitation eludes them. NASA leans on SpaceX contracts. ESA partners for rides. The Pentagon relies for national security payloads. Even rivals in industry queue up. Musk hasn't built a mere space firm. He's erected a near monopoly on access to the stars. China watches warily and accelerates. Where SpaceX revolutionizes tech, China redefines scale and self-reliance. They don't chase flashy breakthroughs, they master mass production and independence. Their roadmap is clear-cut. Phase 1, internalize all tech, no foreign strings attached. Phase 2, ramp up cadence. China now eclipses US military in yearly orbital attempts. Phase 3, forge a sovereign ecosystem. Achievements include Beidou navigation rivaling GPS, Tiangong orbital outpost, Zhurong Mars rover, lunar sample retrieval missions, reusable rocket tests, Long March Heavies matching Falcon Heavy prowess. Unlike NASA's democratic hurdles, China's authoritarian efficiency shines. No partisan gridlock, no fiscal cliffs, no media scrutiny. Decrees become deeds. Horizon goal, space primacy by 2049, marking the PRC's centennial. En route, moon outpost, harvesting polar ice, helium-3 extraction for fusion energy, Earth-Moon supply chain, cislunar satellite supremacy, Martian foothold. China's vision isn't mere discovery, it's territorial expansion in space. Global alarms are sounding. NASA boasts Earth's finest minds, richest legacy, and groundbreaking discoveries. But its Achilles heel? Agility deficit. Milestones demand navigating congressional approvals, oversight hearings, annual budget wars, lobbyist influences, bloated contractor timelines, a genius trapped in Cold War-era red tape. Artemis lunar returns, plagued by slips. SLS rocket, ballooning costs in billions. Core ambitions hinge on commercial allies, chiefly SpaceX's Starship for landings. US might is vast, but sluggish. China charges ahead, NASA deliberates. In this high-stakes sprint, hesitation spells defeat. Satellites and Mars grab headlines, but the moon is ground zero. Why? Trillions of untapped bounty. Helium-3, fusion's holy grail. Water ice, propellant feedstock. Exotic ores, polar real estate for perpetual sunlight or power. Launchpad to asteroids and beyond. Lunar control unlocks interstellar logistics, energy independence, resource monopolies, orbital fueling hubs, defensive outposts, comms relays, gateway stations. The moon dictates the solar system's next era. Timelines clash. China targets base by 2030. NASA aims for 2031. SpaceX eyes crewed tourism by 2028. No accidents here, pure rivalry, a shadow conflict over cosmic prime property. Mars transcends planetary science, its conquest incarnate. NASA seeks knowledge, China asserts presence, SpaceX envisions settlement. Divergent intents, singular target. China's rover roams, NASA's Perseverance scouts, SpaceX iterates Starship prototypes relentlessly. First boots on regolith claim eternal prestige. More crucially, orbital webs, propellant caches, territorial precedents, governance frameworks. Mars won't mimic frozen treaties like Antarctica. It'll echo age of exploration rivalries. Pioneers write the Constitution. Innovation, SpaceX surges. Expertise, NASA endures. Each excels in silos. Yet the decider, first permanent lunar foothold. Not visits, habitation. That means ISRU fuel factories, research hegemony, strategic vantage, economic leverage, data supremacy, Mars springboard. Current tally, SpaceX, innovation velocity. China, execution blitz. NASA, knowledge depth. The decade ahead seals the century. History unfolds silently, perilously, inexorably. Most remain oblivious. The space contest isn't impending, it's live. Today's choices etch tomorrow's reality, echoing far beyond our lifetimes.
Craving insights into this arena, our planet, our fate? You found your hub. This is Space Mosaic. Hit subscribe, join the journey as we mosaic the cosmos, fragment by fragment. Thanks for watching. See you in orbit.